Have you ever pondered how often you should wash your hands or brush your teeth? The answers to these questions and more lie in mastering the art of hygiene. Today, we navigate the essentials of hygiene practices, providing a roadmap to optimal health and well-being. Hygiene, often viewed as a standard practice, is indeed a crucial pillar of health. It plays a defensive role, shielding us from infections, and an offensive role, boosting our confidence and enhancing our interactions with others. It is indeed the cornerstone of wellness. Now let's delve into the foundations of a healthy lifestyle, the key hygiene practices. Consider hand hygiene as your first line of defense. Washing hands frequently keeps germs at bay and curbs the risk of falling sick. Remember to lather with soap and water for a minimum of 20 seconds, ensuring all surfaces are well covered. Next up, dental care. A healthy mouth is a gateway to a healthy body. Brushing teeth twice a day, regular flossing, and routine dental checkups ward off cavities, gum disease, and the dreaded bad breath. And then comes body cleansing. Regular bathing or showering eradicates dirt, sweat, and bacteria from the skin, preventing body odor and skin infections. A mild soap or body wash does the trick, and don't forget those underarms and feet. Let's not forget respiratory hygiene, especially during the cold and flu season. Covering your mouth and nose with a tissue or your elbow when you cough or sneeze, and disposing of tissues correctly is crucial in preventing the spread of respiratory illnesses. Finally, food hygiene plays a vital role in keeping our insides clean. Washing fruits and vegetables thoroughly, cooking foods to the recommended internal temperature, and storing perishables correctly ensures freshness and prevents foodborne illnesses. For those who wish to elevate their hygiene practices, consider these advanced techniques. Regularly disinfect high-touch surfaces like doorknobs, light switches, and electronic devices. Using EPA-approved disinfectants and adhering to manufacturer instructions ensures effective cleaning. Personal grooming habits like trimming nails, grooming facial hair, and keeping hair clean and well-groomed not only enhance your appearance, but also your hygiene. In conclusion, the importance of good hygiene practices cannot be overstated. They safeguard us from illness and promote overall health and well-being. Stay tuned for more insights on hygiene, health, and wellness. For hygiene brands looking for a platform to showcase their products and promote good hygiene practices, this is your chance. Reach out to us today to explore sponsorship opportunities and feature your brand with affiliate links in our videos.